Okay, so this is a 2004 Pontiac Vibe, and it had intake cam gear rattle just like my wife's Corolla. I didn't video it when I initially got the car. I wish I would have, but it sounds like this. Anyways, so I had to take the cylinder head off this thing because it had a burnt valve and a bunch of other issues, and I fixed that, but I did the pen spring mod as well on this car. Okay, so I'm working on a Pontiac Vibe or a Toyota Matrix, same thing. Same cam gear design as the 2011 Corolla that I did the pen spring mod video on. This is another one that's got rattle that's coming through my shop, and here's another pen spring. It coils in the opposite direction of the other one, and I'm just simply going to put it on the inside of that other spring like that. So one spring inside of the other, and then we're going to take that spring and drop it down into the hole there with the two springs, and then we'll put the plate back on, and that's it. That's the mod. And the reason I've got this cam out right now is because the cylinder head has come off because it had a burnt exhaust valve. I got the valve right here if you want to see it. That's the valve that came out of it. Totally burnt, misfiring on one cylinder. But anyways, it also had intake cam gear rattle, so I am opting to fix this with the pen spring mod, and I will show you an update when it's done. First start, since the head's been back on and since the cam gear has been modified with a pen spring. No intake cam gear rattle. I'm just going to do a start up here if you want to hold that camera there so you can hear the rattle.
Hey!
Yeah.
You haven't seen any of my pens, have you?
No, why?
Just wondering.
Anyway, no rattle. Sounds good too. And if you like this video content, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.